MSI Stealth 16 Mercedes Gaming Laptop. Main features are MSI Stealth 16 Mercedes-AMG Motorsport Gaming Laptop is a unique blend of high-performance gaming hardware and luxurious automotive-inspired design. High refresh rate OLED display. The 16-inch LED display provides vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast. High refresh rates like 240 Hz deliver smooth motion, which is crucial for competitive gaming. High-performance components. It's equipped with powerful Intel Core processors, typically 13th or Ultra Generation 9, and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series GPUs, ensuring smooth gameplay in demanding titles. This translates to high frame rates, detailed visuals, and the ability to handle ray tracing and other advanced graphical effects. Advanced cooling. MSI's Cooler Boost 5 technology is implemented to manage heat, preventing thermal throttling, and ensuring consistent performance during extended gaming sessions. Gaming optimized keyboard. The keyboard is designed for gaming, with features like anti-ghosting and customizable RGB backlighting. High-quality audio. The laptop features a high-fidelity audio system tuned by Dynaudio, delivering immersive sound for gaming and multimedia. Robust connectivity. It includes a wide range of ports, including Thunderbolt 4, USB-A, HDMI, and Ethernet for connecting peripherals and external displays. Wi-Fi 7 is also included.